Hey everybody, Blaine Austin here. I'm here with our retail store director, Deb Donovan, and also our event coordinator, Ola Swanson, and we're talking about an upcoming event. Guys, this is going to be the most awesome event we're ending the year on. It's the Scan-N-Cut event, and actually we have Julie Fei-Fan Balzer coming in to do this event. And can you tell us a little bit about this new Scan-N-Cut, Deb?
I'd be happy to. The new Scan-N-Cut SDX 225 is the greatest new thing in scanning. It has a whisper quiet mechanism, so it's a lot quieter than it was before. It has a roll feeder technology, so now you can cut up to 6 feet long on a strip of vinyl. And the best thing yet is it has the auto blade technology where you no longer have to set the pressure depth and the pressure that you want your Scan-N-Cut to cut at. It's just amazing.
That's actually, that feature in itself is worth buying the machine for, isn't it?
Absolutely.
The great thing about this event too is when you sign up for the 2-day event that's in San Marcos on the 14th and 15th, the Scan-N-Cut machine comes with the class. And then on the 13th of December, we're having a 1-day class for existing Scan-N-Cut owners down in the Mission Bay in San Diego store. And Ola, what can they expect when they come to this event?
So on the first day for December 13th in Mission Bay, they're going to make 3 beautiful projects out of their own Scan-N-Cuts, and then on the 2-day event they're going to make 6 projects in the Scan-N-Cut.
Oh, wow.
And that will be in San Marcos.
That's pretty awesome, isn't it? And again, we're always, like we always do, we're going to have some free gifts, some giveaways. We're going to have food for you. So hey, go grab your friend, y'all come up here, have a good time. We are going to have a blast. Julie is one of the premier educators in the nation. You've probably seen her on HSN. She is selling the Scan-N-Cuts on HSN. She's a brother spokesperson, and she is incredible. So we hope y'all come and see us. Hope to see y'all there.
Purchase your new machine today by visiting SewingMachinesPlus.com or by visiting one of our retail locations.